Another day, another client's place. You guys know I love doing my videos. So we have a lot of nice apartments over there. Building. So Marshall, we're in Marshall. Waka, wear your helmet. You're not wearing a helmet today? No, it's okay. You don't have to get it. I'm just... We're heading to our client, new potential client land. She's about to build a nice beach house in Marshall. Please, I'm doing this video for construction purpose, not for land. I don't have land in Marshall. Please don't ask me. Okay, guys? It's only for you guys to enjoy this wonderful view of the ocean. That's the only reason I'm doing this, and also for the construction business, not for land. Let me make myself clear, not for land. We move. So, yeah, see my little construction shoes? Oh, no, that's rain shoes. That's rain shoes. So, look at the ocean right there. Marshall. We are about to take a look at this client land. She's about to build a beautiful, beautiful house. We move. We're moving full speed. Oh wow, the person painted their warehouse. Oh, okay. I will take a little walk. It's okay. That's the ocean over there. Wow, the people about to build some beautiful houses here on this land. It's right there, ocean. Y'all people in Marshall, I'm showing you land. So y'all watch my videos. Y'all see someone encroach on your land. Nah, I don't want to be involved in it. I'm doing my videos. Somebody building an upstairs house over there. 2-story house over there. Engineer Boaka. We move. We move. Oh, the person is building a nice house over there. Look. Hello there. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. 2 acres of ocean. Oh my goodness. Okay. LA? Yeah. Where in Georgia are you? Atlanta, ATL. He's from Lawrenceville. This guy in the blue, Christopher, he used to live in Lawrenceville. Yeah. Look at the house. Oh, you used to live there?
I lived in Lawrenceville for a long time.
Oh, okay.
Wine there.
Oh, got you.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wow. Are you finally home or are you visiting?
I'm finally home.
Oh, nice. This is home.
Project I'm doing.
Got you. Project manager?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Wow, this is going to be nice, though. Do you know them? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. These are the neighbors, yeah. Oh, they just got here? Wow, that's excellent. Oh, over there, that's a cornerstone, right? Over here? Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Waka, you see the cornerstones over there? Oh, in front of you, in front of you. Okay. Okay, so the then starts from there. Okay. At the ocean front. Okay, how do we get there? So where does she know? Where does she want to start the house?
The house is going to be right
Over here?
over the ocean.
Okay. So this is where she wanted to have Waka.
You want to get down to the ocean?
Yeah, I mean, I can get there. I mean, if the house would be right here, then we can just do his measurement and stuff. Then, you know. Yeah, Waka, you can do your measurement if you need to. If she wants the house right here. Okay.